everyone, we are for another video this week. I would like to tackle the wall behind the dining table that we did some videos before. If you haven't seen it, look in my channel. I transformed an old dining table into something really nice and I'm really proud of it. Anyway, the dining table and the chairs are all black with a wood top and art prints on the back that are white, black and white. So I would like to give it a little pop of color and yeah, I would like to make it a little bit more cozy, that area. It also feels a little bit too empty, so I would like to do something a little bit bigger. The inspiration comes from flipping through the Inside Out magazine. This is the October 2021 and there's this page and here's this giant wall artwork, and also I took inspiration from this. I love the combination, like a cool light blue compared with rich deep brown orangey earthy color, so I like it, the contrast. I really like it. This artwork is made with punch needle that I couldn't find, so I had to buy online, and the punch needle looks like this. I don't know if you can see. So it has two holes and it's hollow inside, so the thread, the wool, goes in and then you just punch in the fabric. So I went to Spotlight. The fabric that I bought is just 100% linen, just white, simple, and pattern. So you can see it's really loose, so the needle easily goes through in, easily, you see, and you can just keep on punching. That's why it's called punch needle, because you punch inside the fabric. And then I also got the wool, and I bought a warm color. It's a yellow, but it's more like a mustardy color. I like mustard color. Light blue, cool light blue, a brown, and a transitional color, so simple, of white. And I think they pair pretty good together. We can make something with this. Measurements, and I want it to be roughly 1 meter by 1 meter. Just want it to be big enough to be proportional to the dining table, but not bigger than the dining table. I'm gonna build a big frame out of scrap wood that I have, and then I'm gonna staple the fabric on, and then I'm gonna start punch needling, I suppose. The links are all below and the description box, whatever I find that I could be useful. So let's go. punch needle is really simple. You just need to punch in the fabric. What you need to do is just thread the wool inside the hollow needle and leave about a 3-4 centimeter length of wool, and you punch in the fabric and you pull the thread. You just repeat the process. As you can see, I also made different patterns. So instead of having the loops on the front, I'm gonna have the loops on the back. So far, of course, it's a large artwork, so yeah, it takes some time, but it's not that hard. Once you get the rhythm of it, you just go straight, and yeah, it's really fluffy and nice. I like it. And I'm not sure the orientation yet. I was thinking this is like the orientation will be like this, but I'm not sure yet. I think I need to finish it and then decide. I think you need to wait for the next video to see the result. Think I know how I'm gonna finish it, and then we're gonna hang it on the wall. And probably, no, I won't say it because I'm not sure if I'm gonna get there. But I'd like to finish the panel light that I started. Alright guys, see you next time.